Let's make this quick, boys. It's dinner time and I'm starving.
Batman and Black Canary!
Such a pretty voice, but I have one too. Looking for me, big boy?
The Fiend.
Look at him, save the day, keeping evil far away. If only he could love me, he could love me. If only he could love me like he loves. Let's not fight, let's get along for our hypnotic property.
Fine. Okay, boys. I'm going to entertain the troops. Nice shot. My turn.